Hey, welcome back to another video. I'm down in Coogee Beach. I used to live here just up the road there on the hill many years ago. And look at the beach now. Like, there's no one around. Like, nobody. Like, well, there's a few people, but like on the beach there's hardly anybody. So if your particular product is a seasonal product, beach related, summer related, then you're in trouble. Like, there's no one here. No one's thinking about going to the beach. No one's thinking about getting some rays or getting some sun, and they probably won't for the next 3 months, 4 months, right? So something to keep in mind with seasonality of your products is, if you are going to sell a product that's kind of beach related or summer related, think, does it have another use outside of that seasonality period, right? And that's something you got to think about seasonal, about whether or not I can rebrand it during winter as something else, right? So, but yeah, if your product is essentially seasonal, then you're stuffed. You're stuffed for 3-4 months, right? If you're selling in America, it's a different story completely, right? Because in America, then it's summer in America right now, whereas winter here. And in Europe is actually a different market. If your product is actually winter based, then you're right. Then you seem to be right, because most of the period during winter is reasonably cool climates. But yeah, just in terms of I have students who do sell in summer or summery products, and they're being hit a little bit right now. And that's kind of why sometimes going in different markets, selling in the US market, the Australian market, you do in a way hedge your bets and you're not affected that much. But if you're just going to sell in one market, then just keep in mind, ask yourself, is my product seasonal? Is it just, do I find I have more buyers in winter? Do I have more buyers in summer? And you've got to ask yourself that as well. Like, where would I see the majority of my sales? And a quick search on Google Trends, if you just type in Google Trends, it's a free tool that enables you to find out where the peak searches are. Where, at what time, what month are people doing the searches for your particular product. So if you're jumping on, for example, on beach umbrellas, you'll see around December, January, boom, massive spike going up, because everyone in Australia is looking for beach umbrellas or toy, beach games or beach balls, right? Whereas right now you're seeing a lot more wintry items, wintry gloves, smart gloves, where you can actually have on your iPhone, you put your gloves on and you can actually adapt on your iPhone and touch your screen, okay, which is kind of cool, all right? So yeah, so just keep that in mind. Seasonality does make a big difference with your particular product, all right? Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. See you later.